Good morning, guys. Happy Wednesday. So today I will be doing a body and skincare video, so you all will be able to see what my process is when I take my shower and whatnot. So I decided to do it in the morning time. That way I'm not up all night editing, because I've been doing that too much lately, and your girl need her beauty sleep because I feel the bags coming, and that's not cute. So first, I just want to show you the products that I use when I take my shower and clean my skin, and then we'll get right into the video. So first, for my body wash, I only use Dove. This one is the Dove Deeply Moisturizing Body Wash. I only use Dove body wash because my skin is very sensitive, and their product is the only product that does not cause me to break out in hives. So I always either use this one or the sensitive skin, but lately I've been able to use some of their scented ones. The mango one, guys, oh my gosh, it's amazing. Okay, then for my feminine wash, I use the Honey Pot Company sensitive foaming wash, and that's what that looks like. Lights hitting it funny. There we go. That's that. And y'all, I gotta do my review on this today, but baby, listen, this stuff is the truth. Okay, next I use, for my feet, I do like to scrub my feet when I take my showers to keep them looking cute. So I use my product, my scrub. So this is one of my handmade scrubs from my company, Chic Beauty Bar and Boutique. And I do use this every night when I get home because I am on my feet a lot. But this is the cucumber melon one, and oh my gosh, y'all, it smells so good. And I absolutely, like, when I created this, I did something, y'all. I changed the game. So like, the link to my website will be down in my description box, but that is one of the products from my line that I use when I take my showers. Next, for my deodorant, I've been using Native, and y'all, I absolutely love this brand. Let me turn the light down some. Oh, not orange. Down. I absolutely love this brand. This one is the eucalyptus and mint, and it smells delightful. The reason I really like this brand is because it's not too harsh on my skin. Again, like I said, I do have sensitive skin, and it actually holds all day. Like, I don't feel like I'm getting stink or musty or anything. Like, Native is the truth. So y'all go ahead and get this too. And last, I use my my body butter from my line. This is what that looks like. Y'all, it's so soft. And this one is the pineapple one, and this is a big seller of mine, so I always run out of pineapple and mango scent. Don't know what be going on, but everybody always buys those, and I always sell out. So again, I will put the link down below so that you all can visit the website and see what scents I have. But I do scrubs, butters, and oils. I usually use my oil at night before bed because it just feels better on my skin. And then I use my butter when I wake up in the mornings. So as far as my skincare routine, I use my soap from Ethelyn's. This is the cocktail bar. This helps remove acne scars and whatnot. So this is what it looks like. This is actually a huge chunk. You don't need all of this at one time. I literally can like cut that much off and just use that. But y'all, I just been doing something lately. But I do really like that bar. And then my toner, I use the DERMALOX Gold from Ethelyn's, and you just mist this all over your face. And then for my moisturizer, I've been using the FENTY Skin HYDRA VIZOR. I actually really like this moisturizer. It seems to make my makeup lay really, really nice. So I've been using it. This is actually just a trial size. I do need to purchase me a larger one. They have them at Sephora, but I haven't really been in there to buy it. But I need to, because I really like that moisturizer for my skin. And then for my sunscreen, I use the COPPERTONE Defend and Care Face. It's oil free and it's a 50 SPF. You should be wearing sunscreen every day. I don't care what your skin tone is. You should always have sunscreen on, and that is my esthetician license kicking in. So if you don't have a sunscreen, this is a really good sunscreen. It does not block my pores. It literally says on here, won't clog pores. It does not block my pores. It does not make me extra oily, and it doesn't have that funny sunscreen smell. So these are the products that I use when I take my shower. I guess I can show y'all my toothbrush and stuff too, because I do have that in here. This is the toothbrush I use. This is the Oral-B IO Series 9, I believe. Love this freaking toothbrush. It has a guided assistance on it. You download the app and there's guided assistance. And it tells you how long to brush each section, if you're using too much pressure. And then it also has a little checklist. Did you brush your tongue? Did you floss? And did you rinse? And I think it's pretty awesome. Especially like for me, I don't have to go to the dentist as often. I only go twice a year. I go twice a year to the dentist. So this is a really good toothbrush to have if you aren't frequent to the dentist. And usually you're not frequent because you're doing a good job, but I think this is going to push me over the tears, and my doctor's going to be like, girl, what you been doing? Like, you been going to a different dentist? No, baby, I got me a good toothbrush. That's what happened. But that's my toothbrush. And then I use the Sensodyne whitening toothpaste, but I think I'm going to go steal my daddy toothpaste because he has the whitening toothpaste. I told y'all about it before. I can't remember the name of it, but like if I can remember to grab it, I will go grab it to show y'all. But yeah, so those are the products that I will be using, and y'all just stay tuned. Alright guys, so I have finished my routine. I am completely dressed. I left out my putting on my butter, but like this is how it moisturizes. You see the shine, no ash even on my hands. And I just put on my basic jewelry like I always wear. My hair is up in a pony with the pieces down in the back. And then I have on this outfit from Sway's Closet. And it's kind of like really big now. Like all my clothes are like super big now. But yeah, that is my body and skincare routine. That is the morning version of how I do all of that. I will film a night version on a different occasion, but I will also post that for you all too. So thank you all for watching. I hope you all enjoyed, and maybe you found a product in my video that you're interested in. I will tag everything down below, and remember, always stay chic and don't forget to subscribe. Love y'all.